Did you know that your laptop can actually become a Wi-Fi hotspot, just like your smartphone? Yes, with a few simple steps, you can share your laptop's internet connection with other devices around you, whether it's your phone, tablet, or even another computer. Let's break it down. First, on Windows 10 or Windows 11, go to your Start menu and open Settings. From there, click Network and Internet, and then look for the option called Mobile Hotspot. This feature allows you to share your laptop's internet connection via Wi-Fi. Next, choose which connection you want to share. For example, if your laptop is connected to the internet through Ethernet or USB tethering, you can broadcast that connection wirelessly. Toggle the Mobile Hotspot switch to On, and Windows will automatically create a network name and password. But don't stop there, you can customize it. Click Edit, then type your own network name and set a secure password. Now grab your phone or another device, turn on Wi-Fi, and connect to the hotspot using the credentials you just created. On a MacBook, the process is a little different. Go to System Settings or System Preferences, then select Sharing. From there, choose Internet Sharing. Pick the internet source you want to share, like Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and then check the option to share it over Wi-Fi. You can also secure it with a password so only people you trust can join. This trick is incredibly useful when you're in a place with only wired internet, or when your mobile hotspot isn't available. For students, remote workers, or travelers, it's a lifesaver because you can instantly connect multiple devices without relying on extra hardware. Just remember, your laptop must stay powered on and connected to the internet for the hotspot to work. And if you're using battery power, keep in mind that sharing Wi-Fi can drain it faster. So, the next time you need to share your internet quickly, don't panic, your laptop has a hidden superpower. With just a few clicks, you can turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot and keep all your devices online. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.